Now we want to find out integration of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Now adjust plus 1 and minus 1. So we will get integration of x plus 1 upon x plus 1, and minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2. So minus 2 upon x plus 1 dx. X plus 1 will get cancelled. So we will get integration of 1 minus 2 upon x plus 1 dx. Now integration of 1 is x, and integration of 1 upon x plus 1 is 2 log x plus 1 upon derivative of x plus 1. Now we will use the formula integration 1 upon x ax plus b is equal to log ax plus b upon d by dx of ax plus b. So our final answer is x minus 2 log x plus 1 plus c. Derivative of x plus 1 is 1.